South Africa is constantly reminded of its history through its spatial geography, architecture, and its names. The past is never distant. It remains ever present, reinforcing itself in ways that are not always immediately recognized as harmful. It is this reason that the IFP supports His Majesty, the King of the Zulu nation's call to rename KwaZulu-Natal to KwaZulu. This is not a new position, nor is it a populist. It is well documented that during the CODESA negotiations in the early 90s, the IFP intensely debated the renaming of provinces, particularly Natal. The IFP has constantly and firmly advocated for the recognition of KwaZulu in acknowledgement of the Zulu Kingdom and its profound historical, cultural, and political significance. The name we have today is therefore the product of compromise rather than a full recognition of this historical truth. After 31 years of democracy, we carry a responsibility to deepen and accelerate the broader project of transformation. This is not merely a policy objective,
Thank
but
you,
a matter
honorable
of
member. Your
dignity,
time is up.
identity, and justice.